Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pomegranate. Pomegranates are very healthy for our health. We should eat pomegranate. It's good for our blood. It increases the level of blood, increases hemoglobin in our body. So we should consume pomegranate. Okay. Now I am going to draw a slice of pomegranate. When we cut out a slice from pomegranate, how it looks, I am going to draw this. We get red color seeds to eat. So this is the slice, and now we'll draw the seeds. We can also take out juice from these seeds and drink it. If you don't want to eat, you can drink the juice of pomegranate. If a person keeps on eating pomegranate on regular basis, he will not get problems like anemia. Okay, so these are the seeds of pomegranate. Now I am going to draw the eyes to make it more attractive. And a smile. Okay, so our drawing is complete. Now start coloring it. First of all, I am going to color the eyes with black sketch pen. Okay, so I have colored the eyes. Now I am going to use red pencil color to color the seeds. As we get red color seeds from pomegranate, now I am using red color crayon to color the peel of pomegranate. I am using here crayon just to differentiate it from the color of seeds, as both are of red color. So I am using crayon to color the peel. Okay, so I have colored the peel with red color. Now I am going to use a pink color crayon. Here. So our pomegranate is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.